Hi everyone, here comes as promised my second video of my Bearbricks that are not in the latest series, but they are older ones that I'm collecting. Okay, so this one didn't came with box. I bought it from a reseller. Okay, so they are a bit rare to me, I guess. Correct me if I'm wrong. And these are the Mickey and Minnie ones. Kuji. Bearbrick Kuji means they are rare. They are from places like in Japan, convenience stores, and they have promotion time, or they have released some Bearbricks over their stores for a limited time. So according to these ones first, okay, so here comes this one. Is series 33, I guess. Yeah. Behind. In front. Okay. This side. Behind. And this is series 33, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so I gotten this one. I find it rare, cute, but then actually it's not a special edition or anything like that, I guess. Just that it's hard to get due to maybe this older series. So this comes with the card. Okay, this is the card for this. It's on the artist. Okay, so I thought of this pair. This one. This as you can see, series 15. Okay, anniversary. Series 15. This is series 33. 15th anniversary. Okay, so this one I have not opened yet. Okay, let's open it. Okay, after opening, it's very new as I just opened it, right? Okay, so this one is the rare one. It's 1 out of 192 pieces. Okay, this looks like this is a Fever. It says Fever 33 here, 333 on the face, and this is a casino sort of design. So, okay, this is the rare one that I was waiting for. See the code. There's a lot of dots here, means it's a chase series, I guess. There are more dots. I heard it's more rare in the market. Okay, so the card of it. The card is still sealed. Okay, let me open this. This one is this. And this one is the Fever 33. It's a secret one, right? But it has four dots. Can you see that? 4 dots behind the code. Okay. So I find this I find this a bit looks like a couple to me. Matching couple. Okay. Very new. Okay, and these are the cards behind, at the side, behind, at the side, behind. Okay, so okay, let's open this one. Okay, this one surprisingly is quite cheap. Okay, yeah, it doesn't come with a box because I guess they have removed the box, thrown away the box. Comes with the ID card and the Bearbrick. Okay, let me open it. Okay, so after opening it, it turns out velvet. Yeah, it's velvet. It's my first Bearbrick that is velvet. And this is just a cute category, series 10. Series 10, okay? The whole thing, entire thing is velvet, okay? It's so cute, so dark, so pitch black, right? And it's in a very wrap up condition. I thrown the plastic away. Okay, so this will be under casing, of course. I will put under my collection of my acrylic casings that that I bought. Okay. Okay, so it's under cute. Okay. This is series 10. Okay, so here comes my vintage or so-called Bearbricks. They are some sort of like a key holder, but it's 100% size. It's the same size. It's the same size. I got it quite cheap. Okay, affordable. All of them actually, but this one is a little bit expensive. This one. Okay, so let me open them. Okay, so this has no cards, as is Bearbrick Kuji. Okay, the packaging is like that. Okay, so this is the packaging, the original packaging. This is in 2011, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so these ones are 100% too. Okay, it's glossy gold color, but it's not chrome but it's glossy. Okay, it's my Mickey that comes with it. This one has no cards. Okay, this is just packaging, and the Minnie as well. I just need. This is the Minnie that I gotten for a pair of Mickey and Minnie. Okay, so same size, 100%. Right. Okay. So these are my rare. I find it more rare and things that I don't often see in the market as often in my country. Okay. Okay. This Mickey and Minnie. Okay. And these ones are the Bearbricks. These are all Bearbricks. Yeah. So. Okay, I would like to end this video as of now. There will be another unboxing, hopefully another unboxing series 42, the second box in my channel. Hopefully, okay. We are waiting for another parcel to come, As for the unboxing of series 42, you can always refer back to my video in my channel. We have already unboxed one of the series 42. We got 3 secrets there, and one of them is Emma's. Okay, so I will come back again for other Bearbricks that are incoming to my collections. Okay, again, just a preview. This is velvet. And Mickey and Minnie. Okay. The boxes for Mickey and Minnie. Medicom. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will come back again. Goodbye.